Our goal at Atlas 420 is to assist you with your business goals and needs and help you gain a better understanding of the cannabis industry as it relates to compliance for local, state, and federal regulations, safety and security as dictated and addressed by governmental regulations such as OSHA and the EPA, how we can assist you with your business needs from seed to sale. So let's get started. The purpose of this course is to introduce you to the fundamental concept for working in the cannabis industry, seed to sale tracking. Cannabis legalization has been spreading like weeds. After decades of prohibition, some of the United States, along with many other countries, are now issuing licenses to grow marijuana for both medical and recreational purposes. Cannabis has a long and complicated history in its growing, selling, and use around the world. So why seed to sale? Well, seed to sale tracking has become critical for oversight within the cannabis industry, allowing businesses to store valuable information through business intelligence. Streamlining items for regulation to taxes. This is why it's important to learn more about how Atlas 420 can assist you with customer and client relationship cycles in this ever-changing industry. Seed to sale tracking helps regulatory agencies ensure tax collection while enabling both business security and consumer product safety. In the following lessons, we will offer an introduction to what seed to sale tracking is, the benefits of Atlas 420 training of CRM reporting tools that are required for data retention best practices within the cannabis industry. The best way to explain seed to sale tracking as the regulation of the 3 Ps, the people, the product, and the process within the cannabis industry from seed to sale. Regulators, business owners, employees, vendors, and customers are all people or businesses considered in the seed to sale tracking. In most areas, a governing agency will employ regulators to oversee the tracking and tracing of cannabis businesses. Most regulators are tracking the business licenses, registering agents, along with the fact that in many states, regulators are setting up trackable medical programs for licensing medical marijuana patients. For each license type, we will discuss the licensing and facility requirements as well as the people, the product, and the process involved with tracking from seed to sale. In this course, we will discuss how the people in this industry are tracking the product and the process, including where it comes from, how it's produced, what goes into it, what products come from it, test results and various product attributes, how is it transported, who handles it, who is it given to, how much is transferred or sold, financial exchanges, and much more. We will also discuss reporting and why the right seed to sale software is critical for your company's success. Regulators are using what is termed track and trace software to monitor licensing, compliance, and tax collection. Atlas 420 offers many solutions for tracking and reporting on the people, the product, and the process from seed to CPA. If you're looking for an introduction to the concept of seed to sale tracking and common regulatory requirements, or you're looking for strategies for tracking the people, the product, and the process of the cannabis industry from seed to sale, then this course is right for you.